Now imagine a dam spanning miles, built without bulldozers or cranes. How about roads connecting a vast empire without a single piece of heavy machinery? And who could forget the Great Wall? Confucius, that's who. Not because he wasn't aware of them, but because he lived even before these marvels were built. And yet, the engineering of his time was no less impressive. So, Confucius, how did your contemporaries handle the demanding tasks of construction and engineering back in the 5th century BC timeframe?
Stephen, you must understand, during my time, harmony was not just a philosophical concept, but an engineering principle. The structures built then needed to exist in harmony with nature. For instance, our irrigation systems were designed with respect for the natural flow of water.
No bulldozers or cranes, huh? That must have been challenging.
Indeed, but the workers of the era were skilled and industrious. They built roads, bridges, and fortified walls using manual labor and simple tools, always with an eye towards maintaining balance and stability.
Balance and stability, got it. Now, Confucius, looking at today's technology, how do you think your teachings could apply to modern engineering?
Technology has indeed advanced rapidly. However, the essence of good engineering remains the same. Modern engineers can learn from the past by understanding that every creation should serve the needs of society and be in harmony with the environment.
I see. So the essence of good engineering is timeless, no matter the era.
Correct, Stephen. Engineering is not just about creating marvels, but also about enhancing the human experience and promoting well-being. It's about designing with compassion and consideration for all.
Absolutely, Confucius. And speaking of compassion and consideration, how about we get to the heart of one of the most breathtaking engineering projects ever, the Great Wall? I know it's centuries after your time, but I'm sure you'd have an interesting perspective.
Ah, the Great Wall, a marvel indeed. Although built after my time, it represents the same principles. An extraordinary feat of engineering that kept out invaders, yet harmoniously blended with the rugged terrain. Such a project, I believe, demonstrates how engineers can overcome monumental challenges when they work in unity and with respect for nature.
Wow, well said, Confucius. And as we stand here in the present, we can definitely learn from your wisdom.
Stephen, remember always, whether building a simple bridge or a towering skyscraper, the principle remains the same: create with purpose, respect for nature, and in service to people.